What is the history of Tom Yum Goong in Thailand? Tom Yum Goong is a popular Thai soup dish that has its roots in Thailand's ancient cuisine. The dish is believed to have originated in the central region of Thailand and is a staple of Thai cuisine. Tom Yum Goong is made with a mixture of lemongrass, kaffir lime leaves, chili peppers, fish sauce and shrimp. The soup is known for its balance of hot, sour, salty and sweet flavours and has become popular around the world as a symbol of Thai cuisine. Despite its widespread popularity, the exact origin of Tom Yum Goong remains uncertain, with various legends and claims of its authenticity. What is the recipe for Tom Yum Goong? Well, here is a simple recipe for Tom Yum Goong. Following are the ingredients: 4 cups of water, 4 stalks of lemongrass, bruised, 4 kaffir lime leaves, 4 thin slices of galangal, which is Thai ginger, 4 large red chili peppers, lightly crushed, 6 cloves of garlic, minced, 4 tablespoons of fish sauce, 4 tablespoons of lime juice, 2 tablespoons of palm sugar, 1 pound of medium shrimp peeled and deveined, 1/4 cup of cilantro chopped, 4 cherry tomatoes quartered. Okay, now here are the instructions how to cook. In a large saucepan, bring the water to a boil. Add the lemongrass, kaffir lime leaves, galangal, chili peppers, garlic and fish sauce. Reduce the heat to medium-low and simmer for about 10 minutes. Add the lime juice and palm sugar to the soup and stir until the sugar dissolves. Add the shrimp and tomatoes to the soup and cook until the shrimp are pink and just cooked through, usually about 3 minutes. Have a taste of the soup and adjust the seasoning as you need, adding more fish sauce, lime juice or sugar as desired. Serve the Tom Yum Goong hot, garnished with cilantro and accompanied by steamed rice. Now, go and get in that kitchen and cook some yummy Tom Yum Goong.